everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. And this video gonna very special for all Bittorrent holder friends, BTT friends. So in this video I will show you the next move of Bittorrent and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Bittorrent, and how you can make a profit with the Bittorrent coin token friends. So Bittorrent token as best investment, as you can see here, the current price of Bittorrent is very low. That is why they are best investment friends. So if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe now ABS Tech channel and like this video for my support. I need your support, so kindly support me. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrency news friends, so kindly subscribe now friends. If you look the change occur in the Bittorrent in the last 1 hour, so as you can see here, last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day change as positive, last 1 weekend change as in negative friends. So the currently previous days they took yesterday they took a jump, and now they are fast down for a little time last 1 hour. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart, what's the change goes at this time in the Bitcoin coin, sorry, the Bittorrent token friends. As you can see here, a fast of the Bittorrent starts now. As you can see here, only and only fasts occur in the Bittorrent. In some spaces they take a jump, as you can see here sometime, and now they are again take a small jump, and after this small jump they again fast down. So we can't hope of a big jump because it's time they break the support level and become fast down, break the support level, fast down, fast down, fast down friends. So really bad news for all of you, but don't worry, it's a temporary fast of Bittorrent started from previous last 2 hour friends. Maybe they continues for 4 hour, after that they take a jump friends. So if you look the change occur in the Bittorrent, as you can see here, negative 4.96% change occur in the Bittorrent in the last 2 hour, and the price is about 0.007957 USD dollar is the current price, high price in the previous period, last 2 hour period friend. So now at this time it is clear for all of you that at this time they falls down and maybe they goes upward in the future. The last 2 hour, the future 2 hours they falls down, that is clear for me. I think maybe this kind of change occur in Bittorrent coin. So I think that if you are a holder of Bittorrent token friends, so please hold your Bittorrent coin. Don't do this mistake, don't buy don't sell Bittorrent coin at this time friends, because now the farming period of the Bittorrent starts now. So a lot of people selling, so this Bittorrent sale, so it's not a solution of fast friends. Hold and be patient and wait for a big pump, a big jump of the Bittorrent token friends. When they start explosion, when they start jumping, so if you need of money, so please buy sell your coin token and make a good amount of profit and go away from the cryptocurrency market friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.